Take your business wherever you go with the power of Odoo in your pocket. With the new Odoo mobile app, your point of sale is no longer tied to the counter. Running your store just got smarter and simpler. Now, your point of sale goes wherever you do. With brand new features tailored for mobile selling, you can easily list and manage all your POS sessions across one store or many. Browse your full product catalog with a smooth, searchable interface. Add items to an order with just a few taps. Handle payments effortlessly. Cash, card, mobile wallets, even split payments. Print or download receipts and invoices instantly as PDFs. View and switch between saved user accounts and connected databases, all in one place. Whether you're at the counter, out on the floor, or managing remotely, it is built to move with your business. Smart selling simplified. POS on mobile, because your business never stands still.